Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Only Me, and if you didn't know it's only me, now you know. And hello to my new watchers, my new subscribers. Hello, if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button so you can join your girl. But today we're gonna be doing a how I edit my YouTube videos video. We're gonna attempt to do this. Hopefully, you know, I can teach y'all, or hopefully I can show y'all how I edit my videos, because I be getting a lot of DMs on Instagram on how I edit my videos. And I edit on my phone. Actually, I use this one app that's real easy. It's called VLLO. I don't know how to actually pronounce it. If I do, it'd be wrong. It doesn't be right. So, I actually... Oh yeah, P.S. if you like this hair, I sell them. Shop with me. Cause see the girl, period. Okay. But, yeah, so... I'm gonna start the screen record on my phone, and we just gonna get straight to the video. So the screen recorder has started. So you just open that app. You know, you can click here at the top where it says create a video. That's where you can press when you want to start a new project when editing a video. But I already been editing one, but I'm gonna just show y'all this for the video because somebody is actually editing this for me. You know, they're trying to be my editor. But yeah, so we can just use this video, and I can just show y'all like all the little stuff I've been doing. So let's see. I already edited some of, well yeah, I'm not using it, so I can just show y'all. So let's see what I can tell y'all first. So if you want to like cut a clip, it's real easy. Like, this is real easy to function. Like, to cut it, you just press down and you see where it says split. You can just click that, and then it will literally like, well, like if you have another video, let's delete it and then go to a different clip, and you can see like it will switch. So you see how it cuts? It cuts like that. So you can do that. Just hold it down and hit the split button for that to cut. You can't, it won't let you split like too little. You can try to get as little as possible, because I really be trying to edit out my stuff when they do that. But yeah, you just hit the split button, and then you can hit the back arrow if you want to undo it and everything else. So you need to undo everything like that. So the next thing you can do on here is okay, let's split it, and then you can add like an animation. They got advanced, but you can buy it. I think it's like $2.99 a month for like the pro stuff, and it's real good. Like, it's real easy. So let's say you can rotate it right like that. You can slide it to the left. You can roll left. You can zoom it out. Cut the volume down. But yeah, so you can do all that right there. You can just click that like middle button to it. Let's undo it. You can do that. I hope I'm explaining good enough. But yeah, so you can add like little you know, what is it called? Like anyway, so the next thing that you can do, that I do, honestly, the only things I do is split stuff and add the little rotation stuff in my stuff. Oh, and I can add music. They have music on there for you, but of course it's not gonna be the same. You can add music, like all this stuff I got for my background music. You can add music to it. Let's just click on one. And like, you can drag it, and it can be in the background. And then you can click the volume, and like if you want it all the way on 100%, oh, they got more than 100%. I ain't never went that far. I thought I only stopped at 100. So you can like go from 10%. I usually, most of the time when I do my background music, I have it on like 10% or lower, because some songs be like loud and you have to go really low for them to still hear you while you talking over the music and stuff like that. So you can add music. They have sound effects on here. The sound effects that I just started using is, let's see, you see they have plenty of them on here. light, sounds, transportation, animal, cartoon, clap, footsteps, bells, and sirens. So you can just, you know, choose any one. Like, they have different ones of different dings. Like, you can do any one of them. So that's for the sound effects. You can do voiceovers right there. It allows you to do that. You can do motion stickers. Like, you can add subscribe to it. You can post notification bell, another subscribe. They got like a lot of them. So basically you can go to like this SNS where it has like all the like, subscribe, follow me, all that stuff. But then they have like different things on here. So you can use like anything that's cool that they have. Because I know people be having a hard time trying to they be asking like, how do you put the subscribe thing and stuff like that. I just use them, and honestly that's it. You can see they have frames on here. You can do like the little record frame that you can do. You know, people be having like the little record screen around their face. You can do that. I'm probably gonna do it on this one. I haven't used it yet though, but I haven't, but I'm probably gonna put it on this video. So you can add a text. You can do this is all the text that they have. You can just click it, and then you can also like change the color or something. I'm just typing anything, but you can change the color, and you can change the font. You can change the the color of it, any color that you want it to be. Then you can put an animation on it, like it can come in any kind of way like that. It's real easy. This app is like really easy, and this is why I love it. You can add captions. It could be at the bottom, anything, you know, different ones. You can also add an image to your thing. You can add pictures to it, you know, put on the side if you want to show something in a video like that. You can add a video, but I think these are for the videos. Is for the pro. Some of these are for pro, so most of this stuff that you're seeing you probably can't do when you first get the app. But then if you feel like you like the app, then you can buy the pro, and then you can do all this stuff. They got filters. I never used them, honestly. They got filters that you can use. Adjustments, I haven't used that yet. Haven't used that yet either. But I guess you could block out something with that. You see how it's blocking out my face? But yeah, you can do that. Yeah, so basically you can just tap these on the side, and it can like go down from there, or you can just scroll down yourself. So basically that's basically it. Like, that's all that you can do on this. You can do so much on this app, and it's real easy. Like, they're all just right here, way easy to work. I feel like this app is like, you know, good. I feel like this is the best editing app for iPhones. It's real easy. Yeah, so that's basically how you can edit your videos. I mean, you can like I said, you can oh, you can like make it, oh I forgot, you can make your video faster. You see, you go to speed, and then you can speed it up like that, however fast you want it to go. Honestly, you can do that. Oh, you can also freeze it. So say this middle clip, I'm gonna freeze, it's gonna go slow. So you see how it's pausing, and then it's gonna go back. So that's the freeze can do to that. So you can just really slide through everything and just try out everything for yourself. Bro, I keep hearing stuff outside. Okay, yeah, you know, a whole lot of animation going on. You can do everything, but it's basically like you can really, it's not hard. Like, this is not hard, but I'm making it so y'all can get to know the app, and y'all can see what all the things that you can do. But once you get on the app for yourself, it's not gonna be hard at all. So yeah, so basically that's all I have for this video on how I edit my YouTube videos. It's real easy, real simple, and that's all I do. This is like the best editing app. Like, it's real simple and easy, like self-explanatory. You can just learn. Like, you don't even have to watch this video. You can just simply learn off of just doing it. Let me stop the screen record. But yeah, the app is called VLLO, and it's pink. I think it has a fish. Is that a fish? Let me see. I don't know what it is, but it looked like a fish to me. So that's on the Apple Store. You can go get that. Like I said, you can do the pro. It's free, but if you want to do the pro one, it'll probably ask you, like, once you get into the app and you want to use some of the stuff that you click on, it's not gonna let you do. It's gonna say upgrade. I think it's like $2.99. I pay $2.99 a month, and they just take it out. I'll be forgetting sometimes. Like, what is $2.99? But nah, it's for this app, and it's really worth it. So I think you should go get it. You know, if you don't have it already. A lot of people are asleep on this app. Many people don't know it, but that could be a good thing too, because you know, it's real easy and stuff. But I'm gonna let y'all know, hint on what I use. You know, I got y'all. So this is the end of this video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Share this video with many other YouTubers who are struggling with finding like a good editing app, or they just don't like the other apps or whatever. If you don't like the other apps, this is like a real simple way to edit. Okay, so yeah, subscribe to me, and please go watch my other videos if you're new and if you haven't watched them already. And thank y'all for watching.